I swag, I cook, I swag, I cook, I swag, I cook, I swag, I cook, I chef, 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 I swag, I swag, I swag, I swag, I swag.
Place the rice in a bowl of rice, mixing it with water, and place it in a rice cooker.
To cook the rice cooker evaporates the water in the rice bowl, and the rice inside that bowl absorbs the water vapor, thus allowing the rice to cook.
While the rice is cooking, your next step is to open up the can and cut the Spam, so obviously you could save time. Remove any excess liquid from the Spam. Now carefully cut small strips from the Spam, around 1/4 inch thick, and make sure that when you cut the Spam, you're not cutting it crooked, but you're cutting it straight. Increased surface area equals increased reaction rate, so by cutting the Spam, you're allowing a faster cooking time rather than allowing the block to cook by itself. Your next step is to add soy sauce to the Spam by carefully placing a few tablespoons of soy sauce on each side of the Spam. By doing this, you're allowing the flavor to be more salty, which indicates that the taste is becoming more acidic, indicating a pH between 0 to 6. Next, turn on your stove and add oil to your pan. The oil acts as a catalyst and speeds up the reaction rate, also known as the cooking time.
The way this works is that when food is placed in hot oil, the food is heated into the temperature in which water vaporizes. This causes a boiling action in the oil, which allows the oil to oxidate. When cooking foods like proteins, the high amount of heat when cooking them allows the proteins to denature. This is why cooked meat becomes firm.
Sticky rice, also known as glutinous rice, gets its stickiness because of its absence of amylose. Instead, it has increased amounts of amylopectin, giving it the stickiness in its composition. Its stickiness allows better adhesion to seaweed and other ingredients.
So now we'll assemble the Spam musubi. First, you'll need your seaweed, and then you'll need soy sauce, water, and furikake in separate bowls. Then you'll need your cooked sticky rice and your cooked Spam. The first step is to place your musubi press on top of your seaweed. Then the next step is to take some rice and place rice in the musubi press on top of the seaweed, and carefully and lightly press the rice. After pressing your rice, the next step is to place a piece of Spam on top of the rice. The next step is to place more rice on top of the Spam and place a good amount so that it almost completely fills up the press. After that, take the press and lightly press the rice on top of the Spam. Now take your bowl of furikake and add a slight tablespoon on top of the rice. And make sure to equally distribute it around the rice. Using the press as a clamp, pull the box from outside of the musubi. Now fold over the seaweed over the musubi. In this step of creating Spam musubi, water's chemical property of adhesion is used to allow the two pieces of seaweed to be able to stick together.
for so long. I'm all out of love. What am I without you? I can't be too late to say that.
I swag, I cook, I swag, I cook, I swag, I cook, I swag, I cook.